Okay, so I've made some progress on the aggregate weight and volume. Let's see. I started with just a couple of products and gave them weights and volumes. In this case, we can go to edit product, and we've got two attributes. One is weight, one is volume. I got the weight for this one from Amazon. So this is a Medline product. Looked it up by the ID, and it says it's 10 pounds and whatever this is in cubic inches. So I put in the weight and volume by these units of measure, and we can come back to the stock card and see each line what the total weight is and total volume, and then also total weight and volume total, which is also down here. And then you can find the unit weight and unit volume down here on the left-hand side. We had a outbound shipment, which I think I'm going to need to go to the outbound shipment here. And there were two items that were shipped. Let's see, issued shorts container. So there were three requests. I had to cancel one because there was 0 picked for that one. And on the packing list, we would show those two values. But if you come over here, this is where we can show you the total weight and total volume for all the items that were shipped. And in this case, yeah, so what we should do is probably total it up over here, and then show it by line and then total it up here to be equal to that, so you can actually see how these items sort of contribute to the total weight and volume. So I'm hoping this is what you were anticipating and what you'll be able to charge on, because this is how we did it. So, but if there's any changes that you want to make, we'll also probably add it to, if I download the pick list here, we can probably add it here, although it's going to be tight. So I think maybe the packing list here, which is XLS. Oops. We could probably add that here to this one. We also have a new feature that's going to allow us to create our own document templates for different things. So you can override this one and create your own packing list. So that is that. Let me know what you think, and if you need any changes. But I was going off this ticket, so I think I've hit most of it. This is configurable. We can put in whatever attributes we want, and I can go back and show you what that looks like. So we've got the weight and volume here. The default unit of measure is pounds, but we can change that in the class. So if I went to product class mass, I could change that to, well, we'll need to narrow it down because it's showing everything, but you could do kilograms, pounds, you could do tons, whatever. And the volume is cubic inches, but we can change that. The one thing that is not working at the moment, we assume that the value that you store on, so 2093, I think I got that wrong. Nope. We are assuming when we do the sum on the shipment that everything is the same. So we're just summing the values and then showing the the unit of measure class default unit of measure. So if you had some items in kilograms and some items in pounds, we're not doing a conversion yet, but that would be fairly easy to do, as we have the unit of measure conversion here, where we could say this is how much kilograms are in pounds, or vice versa, and then this is the number of inches or centimeters cubes in a inch. or cubic inch. And so we can set all those up and do the unit of measure conversion. I just haven't had a chance to do that yet. But as a starting point, we can probably just standardize on a specific unit of measure and just keep everything in that weight and volume unit of measure. That's it. Let me know what you think, and have a go.